Okay folks, here's update number 7. Got a lot of progress this week. Got the new vinyl siding on this side of the house, got the new electrical pole, panel and pole installed. You can see it's not hooked up yet. We had to have a temporary pole put in here in the backyard, and when the house is all done, then they'll move power back from that pole. That's all done through Encore. Still have to come in and power wash everything, clean up all this dirt here, and then the whole house will get power washed. And then come on inside, we'll show you the progress. I think last week we had new doors, but if not, you'll see those. We've got the new front and back doors on the house now. Things are starting to come together with ceiling fans, lights, smoke detectors. The flooring's in now. It's pretty dirty at the moment, but flooring's in. See, they got all the baseboard in, or installing. It's not all done. Getting that put together. We'll hit the back bedroom here first. We've got the new fans in. Still don't have windows. We are still waiting on windows, but they should be hopefully this week. And those will get put in. It'll probably take about 2 days to put them in and then trim them out on the inside. Coming into the kitchen, we have the new cabinets installed now. So they measured for granite yesterday, and we're hoping for granite on Tuesday or Wednesday, and then the backsplash from there, and hopefully at the same time windows will be going in. Okay, but starting to come together, look a whole lot better than it did, especially with the can lights here and the crown molding and the new baseboard molding all throughout the house here. So let's take you on back here to the bedroom and bathroom. Bedroom, nothing special, but it's looking good. Just need to get those windows. Got the ceiling fan, lights in, new closet doors. Here's the bathroom. Got the new cabinets in here as well. And again, granite will go in there, and then we'll get the lights and mirrors and stuff put in. Shower's just about done. Got all the tile done, but to put the mosaic tile in there, that's dry, and that'll get grouted. Should be Monday, and then that'll all get assembled and put together. And then back here in this back bedroom is where they took the old panel out. You saw the new panel on the outside. There's where the old one was. That's all been patched. It'll get textured and painted this week, and it's coming together. So hopefully, we're hoping for Friday this week, but there's still a lot of loose ends here that's got to be done, and hopefully it won't be much longer, maybe a week and a half from now, but we'll see. Anyhow, looking good, and we'll talk to you soon and show you the next update when it's all done. Have a great day.